Now we are going to discuss about some topics on thermodynamics. What are the topics we will discuss now? Those are state function and the path function, internal energy, some questions related to system, property and functions. So till now whatever we have we are going to complete on the question will be given on those parts. Let's start with state function. Now first of all, what is the meaning of state function? The thing is that some of the functions are there, so rather you can say some of the properties of any system is there. Those properties value does not depend those properties value do not depend on the path, on the way, only it depends on the state, that means initial state or the final state of the system. Those properties are known as state function. That means properties depends on the initial and final state of system, not on the path or process. Some examples I am giving here. Some examples like pressure, P for pressure, temperature, volume, etc. These are the very important properties of any system. Those are the state function. That means these properties does not depend on the path. So state function, তাহলে state function মানে কি হয়ে গেল, যারা পুরো অবস্থার উপর ডিপেন্ড করে। সিস্টেম প্রথমে যে অবস্থায় ছিল মানে ইনিশিয়াল মানে প্রারম্ভিকভাবে কি অবস্থায় ছিল, আর ফাইনাল মানে যেখানে পৌঁছলো সেখানে কি অবস্থা হলো সেইটার উপর ডিপেন্ড করে। একটা সিম্পল ওয়েতে বলছি, ধরো এ একটা পয়েন্ট, ধর লেট ই কনসিডার এ ইজ আ পয়েন্ট, এ সিস্টেম ইজ প্রেজেন্ট অ্যাট এ পজিশন. Now it is moving like that way, this way, that way. So different part, A, now say it is B, now say it is C, now finally it becomes to D. So this is the pathway it has reached. So whatever say this path is followed, this route has been followed, that means the change is happening A to D, but the route is like this. Now the thing is that whatever the pressure, temperature and volume is here the different pressure, temperature, volume will be there. Obviously pressure, temperature, volume will be changed because the state has been changed. But how the change is happened, it does not matter. That means one path or this path I have followed. Now and any other person can follow this path. Let me consider this path is followed. But mind that though whatever the different paths are there, if the initial position and the final position is identical, here the pressure, temperature and volume will be identical. That means whatever the path we select, যে কোনো পাথই আমি সিলেক্ট করি না কেন, আমাদের যদি প্রারম্ভিক স্থান, that means initial state and final state is constant, the pressure, volume, pressure, temperature and volume value will also be constant. So it does not this value do not depend on the different path. So that's why it is known as state function. সেই কারণে এটাকে বলা হয় অবস্থার আপেক্ষক। মানে কোন অবস্থা থেকে কোন অবস্থায় গেল, কিভাবে গেল সেটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট নয়, কোথায় গেল সেটাই হচ্ছে ইম্পর্টেন্ট। তো এটার উপর ডিপেন্ড করে স্টেট ফাংশন। সো দিস ইজ স্টেট ফাংশন। নেক্সট আমার যেটা সঙ্গে সঙ্গে আলোচনা করে নেব সেটা হচ্ছে পাথ ফাংশন। আশা করি এটা পরিষ্কার হয়ে গেল। যেহেতু স্টেট ফাংশনের কথা আমি বললাম যে কোনো ইনিশিয়াল অ্যান্ড ফাইনালের উপর ডিপেন্ড করে, পাথ ফাংশন থেকে নাম থেকেই বুঝতে পারা যাচ্ছে দিস ডিপেন্ডস অন দ্য পাথ, ইট ডিপেন্ড on the path or on the route, which route we are following. That means if this route is followed, whatever the value is there, if different route is followed, the value will be different. So whenever different route is followed, that means here the value will be changed. That means whatever the property it is here, that property depends on the path. That means how it is happening, it depends on that কিভাবে এটা হচ্ছে তার উপর নির্ভর করে। যেমন one of the example is work done. Work done is the one of the important example is here, because work done, that means whatever the pathway you are following, it depends on that. That means work done depends on the path, which route we are following, কোন রুটটা তুমি ফলো করছো তার উপর ডিপেন্ড করে ওয়ার্ক ডান। শর্টেজ রুটে অবভিয়াসলি ইউজুয়ালি যেটা হয় আমাদের ওয়ার্ক ডান কম হয়, বা লংগেস্ট রুট যদি যাই তাহলে সেটা ওয়ার্ক ডান বেশি হয়। এটা নর্মাল কেস যা হয় সেটাই, অর্থাৎ ওয়ার্ক ডান ডিপেন্ডস অন দ্য পাথ। দ্যাট মিনস ওয়ার্ক ডান ইজ ওয়ান অফ দ্য এক্সাম্পল অফ what? Path function. So this is state function and this is path function. It's clear now. Now we are moving to the next point, that is internal energy. First of all, I am telling you internal energy can be expressed by two different letters, E, most of the time E or U. Okay, that means different books followed by different symbol. Most of the book follows U, that means, but E also be you can use the E also. That means later on whenever I use E or U, it denotes the internal energy, whatever. Now what is the meaning of internal energy? I think from the name it is clear, internal, that means inside, the energy belongs inside. In which case, that means in any system. Again I am telling you, thermodynamics deals with the system. Obviously it deals with the, that means whenever any system, that means any system having energy, obviously some amount of energy should be there, each and every system having energy, and whatever the type of energy present inside the system, it is called internal energy. Again I am repeating that whatever the type of energy present inside the system, inside a system, is called the internal energy. একটা সিস্টেমের মধ্যে যে কোনো রকম শক্তি, যেসব শক্তি নিহিত থাকে, যেসব শক্তি অন্তর্ভুক্ত থাকে, সেই সমস্ত শক্তিকেই বলা হয় ইন্টারনাল এনার্জি। সেই সমস্ত শক্তিগুলোকে বলা হয় ইন্টারনাল এনার্জি। দ্যাট মিনস হোয়াট এভার দ্য টাইপ অফ এনার্জি, দ্যাট মিনস whatever the different type of energy present inside a system is called the internal energy. Internal energy consists, maybe it may be the kinetic energy, মানে গতি শক্তি হতে পারে, it may be the potential energy, that means স্থিতি শক্তি হতে পারে, it may be the intermolecular attraction force, it can be the intermolecular attraction force, etc. and etc. So internal energy is nothing but, again I am repeating that means whatever the different type of energy present in a system is called internal energy. So internal energy, it may consist kinetic energy, it may consist potential energy, it may consist intermolecular attraction force also. So different type of energy present in any system. So whatever the type of energy present inside a system is called, overall it is called internal energy. I think it's clear, and internal energy is expressed either E or U. So these are the state function, path function we have discussed, and internal energy we have also discussed. Now some questions related to the system and property and functions, whatever. Some question I am giving you. So these are the some questions I am giving over here. What are the questions I am trying to discuss over here? That means the questions on thermodynamics, system depending on system property and thermodynamic change. First question I am writing here, I have written here over here. That means melting point. Melting point is an extensive property. Melting point is an extensive property. Justify the statement. So how we can going to write the answer? এটা মেল্টিং পয়েন্ট হলো একটা এক্সটেন্সিভ প্রপার্টি, এটা ব্যাখ্যা করতে হবে। Obviously আমাকে ভাবতে হবে, at first we have to remember what is the extensive property and intensive property. I think we have to already discuss extensive property, and melting point belongs to the not belongs to the extensive property. It is one of the intensive property. So okay, melting point does not depend on the mass or amount of the substance. Extensive property depends on the mass or amount. Melting point does not depend on the mass or amount. Okay, so that's why it is not in the extensive property, it is intensive property. So your answer initially you have to write it is not extensive property, it is intensive property, because it does not depend on the amount, rather it depends on the state. That means one example you can use using any substance. Whenever any substance you are taking, whatever the amount you are taking, we are taking, the melting point remains identical. So that's we can explain like that. Now second question, what do you mean by system and surroundings? I think we have already discussed system and surrounding. What is the meaning of this? With example we have to explain. Now spirit in a closed bottle. A spirit is taken in a closed bottle. Which type of system it is? Explain. Which type means what are three types already you have discussed. That means closed, open system, closed system, and isolated system we have already discussed. We have to just classify which type of, obviously it is closed, so it will be the closed system, and we have to explain also why it is closed. We have to explain. Already you have discussed what is the meaning of closed system. Exchange, that means depending on the exchange of mass and energy, we can easily explain over here. Now question number 4, why internal energy is a state function? Internal energy, why internal energy is a state function? So this is the thing we have already we have already discussed the internal energy. The thing is that internal energy I have told. Now the internal energy depends on state, whether it is state function or path function. Obviously, we have to remember that the kinetic energy, potential energy, whatever the path we are following, initial, that means that all over the internal energy depends on the situation. That means A and B, that means state, that means which state. If it is moving A to D, whatever the path we are following, it does not matter. That means internal energy depends only on the state. That means whatever the, again I am telling you, internal energy is a state function, not path function. That means again another example you can say here, internal energy also. So E is also the state function. Again I am telling you, it does not depend on the path. That means whatever the route you are following, only you have to see which situation is there. That means if it is at A position, whatever the internal energy is here, always it will be seen whatever the route we are following. So internal energy. So what is the question? Why internal energy is state function? So obviously we have to say there is no change whatever the route we are following. So that's why it depends on the state. That's why it is state function. And the last one is what is the meaning of path function? Explained with already we have explained. So these are few questions I have given. Lots of more questions maybe arised here or here. So few of questions I have given. I think we can easily solve these questions. Thank you.